Welcome to the Fashion Collection YouTube channel. Fashion Collection is a product demonstration YouTube channel. Our main activity is that we are going through various online web stores and search for the best products and bring them to our subscribers as a video. Our channel is about improving customer awareness about online shopping, best products, and best deals, and finally, help them to buy the products through an online website. Online purchasing has become a trend in the current century, and many of our prefer to buy products online rather than go and spend their valuable time and extra money. But buying online has been a real challenge, and out of millions of products, it's far difficult to choose the right product, and we have to spend more time searching for the best products. Don't worry, we are doing this exercise on behalf of you. We are having an expert team of various sections such as the fashion industry, technology, electronics, personnel, beauty care, and many more. We spend time finding the best products and bring you it with all purchasing web links where you can easily buy all these products online without any extra effort. Our videos are created with only carefully and personally selected the best quality products. When we choose products, we will consider the quality, best price, and finally the best deal to our subscribers. If you interest any of these products, please find all products purchasing web links are in the video description with the same sequence. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and then you will get notified when we upload any new product video. Also, please share our videos within the community and comments on your ideas, and this will help to improve our effort. If you have any further clarifications, please contact us on our email address. Enjoy watching our videos.